जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है, नागिन इज नॉट कमिंग ऑन फ्लोर्स बिफोर जैन, आई गेस। 2024 बहुत टाइम है यार, अभी हम लोग कहाँ हैं, अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर, 5 महीने। और अगर दोस्ती नहीं होगी तो फिर प्यार नहीं है, इसलिए तो दोस्ती नहीं है ना।
करेक्ट।
और हमारी तो मतलब झगड़े वाला प्यार है। हम बस झगड़ते ही रहते हैं, टांग खिंचाई करते रहते हैं एक दूसरे, लिंकिंग मी विथ हिम और पुटिंग अ टैग रूमर्ड बॉयफ्रेंड, रूमर्ड गर्लफ्रेंड। इफ पीपल, अगर लोगों का उससे खून बढ़ रहा है तो क्या ही बुरा है, करो।
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Spy. This is me, Arshi Siddiqui, and I am with Daisy Shah today. Firstly, I'm very glad to meet you, Daisy.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember that. जो तारो फोटो નથી. So तो जो तारो फोटो નથી, आया साक्षात Daisy here. तो फोटो कॉपी की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Wow.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am doing good too. How was खतरों के खिलाड़ी season 13 for you?
It was very exciting, I would say. It was very unknown territory for me, first of all.
बिल्कुल.
मुझे कुछ कोई आइडिया नहीं है कैसे मतलब रियलिटी शोज बनते कैसे हैं, क्या क्या उसके अंदर रियलिटी होती भी है या नहीं होती है। नो, आई वाज लाइक एवरीथिंग इज स्क्रिप्टेड एंड ऑल, बट या आई थिंक इट वाज अ लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. Beat the stunts, beat the shoot, beat the entire process.
बिल्कुल.
और या
आपने कहा कि ये रियलिटी शोज जो होते हैं ये रियलिटी होती है या स्क्रिप्टेड होते हैं, ये आपको अब पता चला. सो व्हाट इज इट एग्जैक्टली? फैंस आल्सो वांट्स टू नो, बिकॉज़ उनके अंदर भी एक नोशन होता है दैट देयर इज समथिंग स्क्रिप्टेड.
स्क्रिप्टेड एज इन वो वैसा स्क्रिप्टिंग नहीं होता है. आई मीन व्हाटएवर द पर्सन व्हाट दे डू इज लाइक, first of all they understand your personality, the kind of person that you are, and then they will put you under situations जहाँ पे आपकी पर्सनालिटी नेचुरली बोलेगी.
करेक्ट.
सो दैट इज द रियलिटी. ओके, ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब हमने, आप लड़की है पर हम आपको हनुमान जी बनाएंगे, नहीं वो नहीं है. आप जैसे है आप वैसे ही रहेंगे, पर आपको being you as you, we are going to put you in a situation and how do you react as a person,
right?
That is what the reality is.
Correct. So that's amazing. I think वो एक enhancement हो जाता है. Apart from that, Daisy, मुझे ये जानना था, there's been a long journey. There's been lot of things that we can talk about, but we have really less time. But one thing that comes in my mind in respect to the work, on the work front, आपने एक continuity कहीं ना कहीं maintain नहीं करी है.
हाँ.
वो कंटिन्यूटी हम अब डेजी शाह की तरफ से देखेंगे आगे, या क्योंकि उन्होंने फिल्म की है and then there's a break,
a good amount of break,
now we see you in reality show, so now we want to see you more, understand that.
So the thing is that I am a very go by the gut person. If मुझे कुछ चीजें अगर गट फीलिंग नहीं बोल रही है, so it's a no for me.
Correct.
No matter how much I'm gaining out of it or how much it is good for me or whether it's not good for me, if my gut is saying no, it's a clear no.
It's a clear no.
Yeah. And the same things have been there for movies also. If there are like scripts that have come to me, but somewhere down the line I feel no, this is not something that I want to do, I will not do it.
That's great.
So it has been a conscious decision.
You are so self-aware. That is also a thing.
I am, because I am so satiated that way. Satiated in my own self, I would say. Yes, I have the desire to work more. But I also have the desire to work on good things.
True that.
I just don't want to be working on any random thing.
Right.
वो ना ही मुझे कुछ उसके अंदर फायदा है, and the people also will not like it.
True that.
So I'd rather do something which gives me that excitement to work on, and where if I am excited to work on something, I will give my 200% to it and people will also enjoy it.
Definitely.
So Khatron Ke Khiladi was something that I have always wanted to be a part of, considering that I am a very adrenaline adventurous person.
Right.
आप मुझे कोई भी यहाँ से कूदने का बोल दो या वहाँ से बंजी जंपिंग बोल दो या स्काई डाइविंग बोल दो या स्कूबा डाइव बोल दो, I'll be the first person to raise my hand that I am up for it, because I take these things as the experiences of life, and also I feel that it's a different universe altogether. So and I will not back down if I have to experience it. So Khatron Ke Khiladi was always there on my mind, and I'm so grateful to the channel and to the makers that they gave me this opportunity. And other than that, there are films. The film that I have been talking about, Mystery of Tattoo, जिसका हमने लंदन में शूट किया था, फाइनली उसका पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन का वर्क खत्म होने को आ गया, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ बैक एंड फोर्थ, बिकॉज द फिल्म वाज मेड इन लंदन,
Yes.
द मेकर्स आर फ्रॉम लंदन, सो द यहाँ पे रशेस आते हैं, देन वी डू द डबिंग ऑन इट एंड देन इट गोज बैक फॉर द DI, so there are a lot of back and forth work happening. Now finally we see it's coming to his finish line, and then we are like, yay, finally it's going to release. So yeah, by the year end it will release.
Amazing. We are looking forward for that. Also, Daisy, tell me something. How was this entire journey of खतरों के खिलाड़ी season 13? ये तो मतलब obviously आपके लिए तो adventurous रहा. What's shocking for the fans is now the promos are coming out. Episodes are going to
Yeah,
come out.
yeah.
And there we see Daisy Shah is being targeted.
Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know. See, I am somebody, जब मैं यहाँ से जा भी रही थी उसके पहले जब हमने इंटरव्यूज किए थे, मुझे पूछा गया था कि do you see that differentiation between the TV and the Bollywood, because you
Bollywood,
come
yeah.
from Bollywood, and I was, तभी भी मेरा यही जवाब था, आज भी मेरा यही जवाब है. For me, I consider both industries and entertainment. I put them into one box.
Correct.
मेरे लिए ये दो अलग बॉक्स नहीं है, मैंने सैग्रीगेट नहीं किया हुआ है. मेरे लिए एंटरटेनमेंट इज
Entertainment.
comes
Yeah.
everything under one section, be it Bollywood, be it TV, be it OTT, be it YouTube, be it anything.
Correct.
Yeah, because you are watching all these platforms because you want to get entertained, you want to come out of your daily routine ka zindagi and just experience something which is very different.
Different.
But जो मैं सोचती हूँ, जैसा मैं सोचती हूँ, जरूरी नहीं है कि बाकी लोग भी वैसा सोचें.
बिल्कुल.
राइट? मेरे लिए कोई डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं है, but there are people, or maybe, see, I can be wrong here, okay,
Mhm.
but I personally felt that yes, I was being targeted, but also like I come from, now when we talk about Bollywood and TV, yes, I come from the movie industry, and I have been so lucky that my journey has been so welcoming.
Yeah.
Every person I've met in Bollywood have been so comforting for me.
Yes.
तो मेरे लिए ये वाला एस्पेक्ट बहुत डिफिकल्ट था कि यार जहाँ पर कोई एक बंदा बाहर से आता है ना, तो जो इंडस्ट्री से आप वाकिफ हो, वो इंडस्ट्री में रहकर आपको वो बंदे को कंफर्ट फील कराना चाहिए.
Correct.
पर यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं था. आई फेल्ट दैट दे हैड दीज notions
Notions, yeah.
that she's come from Bollywood, we are from TV, you know what, it's not our job to make her comfortable. But I never had that thing in my head,
Yeah.
that I am from Bollywood.
Yeah.
I was Daisy.
Yeah.
I wasn't there as a Bollywood star. I wasn't there as somebody. I was there as me,
Yeah.
as a person. So I don't care whether you are from TV, whether you are from the singing world, or whether you are from the music world. I don't care, because we have all come as contestants. और
Yeah.
हमारा यहाँ पे काम है परफॉर्म करना, स्टंट्स परफॉर्म करना, और उसके बेसिस के ऊपर जो जितना जैसे आगे बढ़ता है वैसे. बट नाउ सी, आई विल ऑल्सो से, इसके अंदर गलती लोगों की नहीं है, इसके अंदर गलती कहीं ना कहीं फॉर्मेट की भी है. क्योंकि जब मैंने खतरों के साइन किया था, I was under the impression that I was signing for खतरों के खिलाड़ी show, which is a stunt based show.
Yeah.
Now Code Red was something which was introduced in this season.
Yes.
I didn't know whether it existed before or not. If I had known that something like this has existed before, I would have never signed खतरों के.
Yeah.
Because in my head I was under the impression कि यार उधर जाके stunts perform करने ना, आपकी credibility पे.
Correct.
The only sole reason to sign this show is basically you are performing physically and mentally.
Yeah.
This show is not about mind games.
Right.
But the Code Red,
brought that mind games.
the mind game thing came, and I was like, भैया ये बिग बॉस तो नहीं है,
Correct.
you know. And जहाँ लक की बात आती है, which I said in the episode also, कि लक के बिना कोई भी आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सकता है लाइफ के अंदर. और अगर लक नहीं होता ना किसी का भी, तो किसी का फियर फंदा उतरता ही नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
So that was a befitting reply to everybody
Everyone.
who thought that I was the one who won by luck.
Yeah.
But there's also things where you strategize it.
Yes.
My strategy worked, other strategy didn't work.
Didn't work.
And then you labeled it as luck. So okay fine. ये जो उसके वहां पे 14 लोग थे, ये उनका सोचना है. बाहर 14 करोड़ लोग देख रहे हैं.
Correct.
वो लोग अंधे नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
They do understand what mind games are.
Yes. True
So
that.
I somewhere felt that खतरों के खिलाड़ी was made like an extension of Big Boss. You understood?
Yes, I am getting your point.
And I wasn't happy with that fact, because I am not there to judge कि तुम्हारा लक अच्छा है या तुम्हारा तुम्हारा भगवान तुम्हारे साथ है या तुम्हारा किसी ने हाथ पकड़ा है या तुम्हारा तुमको किसका सपोर्ट मिल रहा है वो नो ब्रो आई सी यू एज परफॉर्मिंग द स्टंट यू डिड वेल अमेजिंग यू डिडंट डू वेल नो वरीज बेटर लक नेक्स्ट
You didn't say that चलो इसका तुक्का लग गया. You didn't say.
I never said it. Even though when you see the entire show, episode by episode, you will see that I have been very neutral. I've been very quiet because for me, from day one to last day, मेरे दिमाग में यही था कि भैया मुझे यहाँ पे आके स्टंट परफॉर्म करना है, मुझे यहाँ पे आके किसी के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स नहीं करनी है बिकॉज मेरा कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
If you are throwing dirt at me, I'm not stupid enough to stand there, pick up the dirt and throw at you.
Not at all.
I'd rather walk out of that situation because that is the person who I am.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't believe in feeding fuel to anybody else's toxicity
True that.
because that is taking away my energy also
Correct.
for no rhyme and reason.
Right. That is also putting you in a bad light as well.
There's no need.
Yeah.
There's just no need.
All right. Getting apart from this, रोहित शेट्टी के बारे में अगर बात की जाए, the mentor, the person who's already been associated to खतरों के खिलाड़ी since a long time, उनके साथ में आपका bonding कैसा रहा? Because it's been said that Rohit Shetty once he likes anyone, once he likes their personality, and he's always he tends to offer a film to them.
Okay.
Yeah. So how is it? Because
So it was not the first time that I was meeting Rohit
Yes,
sir,
of course.
because when I was in my assistant choreography days, I had worked with him on
Of course you
on
have.
his debut film, his debut directorial film. That was
Wow.
Zameen, and yeah, so I've known him since donkey years, and a lovely human being to be around. What I really love about him is that he's come from really humble beginnings.
Yes.
And you know, success, no matter how much success you taste in your life, you need to be that person who doesn't forget your roots. And
Correct.
he is that person.
yeah.
And the whenever वहाँ पर जितने भी थे, मतलब he is very rational in his life.
Right.
You deserve beating, you'll get the beating.
Yes.
You deserve love, you'll get the love.
Yeah.
You deserve nothing from me, you will get nothing from me. He is that person. And
बिल्कुल.
मुझे ना ऐसे क्लियर हेडेड लोग बहुत
बहुत
पसंद है.
पसंद आते हैं, बिल्कुल.
मतलब जो इधर है इधर है इधर है, सब इधर ही है.
Yes.
इधर कुछ है, इधर से कुछ आ रहा है, इधर से कुछ आ रहा है, ये नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए.
है ना?
Right.
अब ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखो. So he is that person with utter transparency.
Yeah. So that's the thing you really like
I
about
love,
him.
yeah,
Transparency.
that's what I love about him.
Actually, he is like that. जिसके ऊपर गुस्सा आया, उसके ऊपर गुस्सा
Yeah,
आया.
yeah, yeah.
And जिसने गलती की, उसकी बैंड
Of course,
बजी.
yeah, I mean that's fine, ना? That's
Yeah.
ऐसे. Why will he sugarcoat it?
Of course. Definitely.
गलती की है तो भाई एक्सेप्ट करो.
Yeah.
और अगर एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर दो तो और डांट खाओ.
Yes. Also, we cannot forget the fact that the hype, the buzz, जितना कुछ फैंस ने होल्ड करके रखा था, वो एक पोस्ट ने बदल दिया. That was a post of yours and शिव ठाकरे's,
हाँ.
जहाँ पे you और शिव ठाकरे दोनों ने कैप्शन रखा है, and it implies प्यार दोस्ती है, दोस्ती प्यार है.
Of course, yeah.
Yes.
क्योंकि अगर प्यार नहीं होगा तो दोस्ती कैसी होगी? और
Yes.
अगर दोस्ती नहीं होगी तो प्यार कैसा होगा?
Yes.
पर हर तरीके का प्यार अलग होता है.
बिल्कुल.
दोस्ती वाला एक प्यार होता है, माँ वाला प्यार अलग होता है, बाप वाला प्यार अलग होता है, बहन वाला प्यार अलग होता है, भाई वाला प्यार अलग होता है.
जी. तो ये कौन सा प्यार है?
दोस्ती वाला प्यार बोला तो मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया मैंने.
पहले क्लियर कर दिया डेजी ने. So there are no stories.
प्यार नहीं होगा तो दोस्ती कहाँ से होगी?
बिल्कुल.
और अगर दोस्ती नहीं होगी तो फिर प्यार नहीं है, इसलिए तो दोस्ती नहीं है ना.
करेक्ट.
और हमारी तो मतलब झगड़े वाला प्यार है. हम बस झगड़ते ही रहते हैं, टांग खिंचाई करते रहते हैं एक दूसरे की.
करेक्ट. लेकिन आपकी और शिव ठाकरे की जोड़ी जो है, चाहे फिर वो ऑन स्क्रीन हो या ऑफ स्क्रीन हो, पसंद सबको बहुत आ रही है. आप लोगों के फैंस भी आप लोगों को काफी अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. और देयर आर रूमर्स ऑफ यू आल्सो लिंक्ड टू शिव ठाकरे. हाउ वुड यू रिएक्ट टू दैट?
I've been linked to many people in my past.
Yeah.
Do you really think that I need to react to this? Let them see, linking me with him or putting a tag rumored boyfriend, rumored girlfriend. If people, अगर लोगों का उससे खून बढ़ रहा है तो क्या ही बुरा है, करो. हम तो अच्छा ही काम कर रहे हैं.
Also, Daisy, there are quite a lot of reports of you coming as Nagin in Nagin 7. We really need a clarification on this.
I myself am looking for a clarification. क्या जवाब दूँ आपको इसके अंदर? जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है, नागिन is not coming on floors before Jan, I guess.
Yeah.
2024. बहुत टाइम है यार, अभी हम लोग कहाँ हैं? अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, 5 महीने. कितनी स्टोरियाँ निकलेगी उसके पहले?
That was about it, Daisy, and we love talking to you. But what could be the last message for the fans who have not only been very supportive when you have entered in Khatro Ke Khiladi, but it's the days that they know you as Daisy Shah and have been supporting
No,
you.
the thing is that I may not have a huge following like other contemporary actors might have, but
Yeah.
I am so grateful to those fans who have stood by me since day one, since my debut film, and I couldn't be more grateful for them being in my life, because you don't like a person just because others are liking them.
Yeah.
You like them for the person that they are.
They are.
And they have seen the real me, and how I don't know. And all I want to say is thank you so much for always being there. And I really look forward, and I'll try my level best to entertain you guys in any which way possible, by any medium possible.